Everything's just a little more difficult when, whatever.
Everything.
I don't know, it didn't stay level, so I'm just trying to get the brad nails out. And apparently get glue everywhere. Why would anything work the way I want it to work? Alright, what can I say, right? Other than I'm not a professional. We know this. Anyway, as you saw earlier, when I was gluing that up, it wasn't flush on the bottom. I think it was this thing here. So I've got this moved now. Nothing's really flush around here, but I'm gonna try it again. I had to dig those brad nails out, clean up all the glue, wipe everything down, re-sand it. So we're gonna try it again, and we're gonna try to aim for the same holes we've already made. Good thing this is not gonna be a for sale piece, right? This is gonna be something I use at home. So take two. Got the 1 1/4 inch brad nails in here. Put some wood glue on it. And we're gonna do it all over again. And hopefully this time it's flush and it works. And if not, I don't know. Maybe the video just will never come out. Flush there. I'm gonna try to hit that same hole. And I didn't hit the same hole, but whatever. Flip it over. Make sure it's flush all the way down. That same hole there. Yeah, I got 2 out of 4 in the same hole. And it is flush. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this side. This is supposed to be like a quick throw this little box together, but it's turned out to be quite a pain in my butt. Just like a lot of things, you know, just having an off day, I guess. it's taking shape anyway. I hope you're enjoying this video as much as I'm not. Alright, so we got our base done. We glued and brad nailed the sides on. Came out better than the first try, obviously. So what I did, I gave it a little bit of a sanding, but I missed a couple spots. So I'm gonna have to come back.